Welcome to the 2020 Hall of Fame online premiere. I'm Shawn Berman, the Interim Dean of the Anderson School of Management. There is no doubt that the cancellation of the 31st Annual Hall of Fame Banquet fundraiser was a major disappointment to all involved. With circumstances beyond our control at play, our only choice was to keep everyone safe and rethink how we could celebrate this year's honorees. Operating in the unknown of when we will be able to once again come together in celebration, we did not want to miss the opportunity to honor the many accomplishments of our outstanding Anderson alumni and continue to raise crucial scholarship funds for current Anderson students. This year's honorees are a class of impressive alumni who are an example of leadership in action. We hope that by sharing their stories, you will be inspired to support the Anderson leaders of the future by contributing to our scholarship fund. This year's Hall of Fame inductees include Alicia Gutierrez, John Chavez, David Jessen, and Stephen Harper. The Young Alumni Awards go to Nyika and Darrell Garcia. And our Faculty Community Award winner is Ann Brooks. And now, on with the celebration. Thank you for joining us online for the YouTube premiere of the 31st Annual Hall of Fame to celebrate our honorees, students, and all who support the Anderson School.